Hey Algo fam, did you know that adding one line of code could literally get your Algorand project listed on one of the most widely read crypto reports in the world? And in this video, I'll walk you through how to submit your repository to Electric Capital Ecosystem Tracker. Capital is major crypto VC firm, but more than that, they also publish this really awesome and very respected developer report every year. And it tracks developer activities across blockchain using real GitHub data, commits, and open source projects. So if you are building on Algorand and your repository is not submitted, you are basically invisible in that data. But the good news is anyone can submit their repository and can get tracked. And this gives your project a real visibility in the ecosystem. So let's get started. So I'm here in this repository, Electric Capital Crypto Ecosystem. And I have to basically, first of all, do a fork. I have to fork this repository. So since I already forked it, I cannot do it again. So I'll go to my repositories and here you will see my fork. So this is the fork. Now I have to clone this repository into my computer and then I'll make changes. So I'll do get clone. All right, it's downloading the repository and let's wait for a few seconds. All right, done. So I'll move to CD, this particular folder, crypto ecosystem, and then I'll open this repository into my VS Code, code stop. All right, I'm into my VS Code with this particular repository. Now, if you'll go to migrations, you will see all the changes, all the repository changes here. Now, if you want to add your repository, you have to basically create a file from here and you have to name the file in this particular format. For example, 2025 05, today is 2022, and I'll write in time, which you can write anything, any time for today, but I want to write, for example, 59:59, basically the end of the day, right? Now underscore, and then what's the purpose? So basically Algorand update or updates. All right. So I just created Algorand updates. So now you have to write a command rep add and Algorand and then repository link. So I'll go to here. So this is the particular repository I want to submit to Electric Capital so that it get tracked. So I'll copy this repository and paste it over here. All right. So we are done. Now you have to open your terminal and you have to push this code. Opening the terminal. So I'll first add this changes, git add all, git commit -m, and then write the commit, for example, submitting Algorand project, and then git push. All right, we are done. So now if you go to this particular fork into your repository and you'll just refresh it. Now you'll see submitting Algorand project. I just did this commit, right? Now you have to do a contribute. You have to open a pull request so that the changes can reflect to Electric Capital repository, right? The changes is into your repository for now. So you have to open a pull request. And if I'll go to this particular repository, you will see the pull request over here. So I'm not doing the pull request because I already submitted the repository. It's not merged yet. So if you'll go to, for example, Algorand India repos, I created this pull request and Electric Capital, their team will check the repository. If the repository is correct, there's no spams or bot or anything, then they will accept this particular PR and they will merge into the main repository. So this is it. Very simple, right? So Make sure you submit your repository and get the recognition and get tracked in the ecosystem. So that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video.